really such a childhood dream come true.
We're all excited that you are here with us. I am personally excited since our first shoot.
Yes, and thank you for my jacket. Siya po yung nagbigay ng jacket. So kung hahanapin niyo po, kasi hinahanap ko sa Instagram ko, siya po ang makakapagsagot.
Maybe we can release this as a limited
We
time
can! Para mas few points. So kailangan natin yan sa rewards.
So how do you feel, Heart, in today's big launch?
Honestly, I've been very nervous because I don't know, it just hits differently kapag childhood dream mo ang isang bagay. And, you know, McDonald's has been, you know, isa sa mga core memories ko growing up. Lumaki ako na may Happy Meal, yun talaga yung aming pit stop, and after school, pupunta kami ng McDonald's. Yung sister ko, alam niya yan. So I'm so happy that, you know, it just all makes sense. And of course, you know, with what we're launching, which is the rewards, may points ka for